I wear the ash of yesterday like war paint in disgrace. Nothing will hear me near. No light will make this real. I got my own defiance from the rust beneath the wheel. Brutal sound, break the veil of the night. Honest signal, burning black in the fight. I roar through the damage, all teeth and flame. No mercy, no silence. Remember my name. Double kick, thunder splits the floor beneath my lungs. I spit the bitter aftertaste of all the lies unsung. The